I am as resign a job. Why? Because I follow to my passion. So I decided how can build a aura and how can build a personality. So regularly personality show off or dislike or click idea and action immediately. And lots of the motivational factor in this my parents, in this my life learning as my student, right? I am not a professionally as a teacher, but I am as a hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prakash Kanjura, and today I talk or discuss from how to build a communication skill with English, right? But most probably person says English is the romance of a society, but just not a decide. English is the barrier of the career opportunity, right? But only for society are to satisfaction, soul satisfaction for your life. That is the very bad in opportunity for in your life. So that's why I change of these perspectives and change of the mindset how to create in a aura of the English language. So first one, I accept for my 365-day challenge to how to build a better day by day performance my English vlogging and the English YouTube channel and different perspective. I'm not matter to how to build my communication skill is the first priority of in this platform. So I want a start of only for 1 month challenge, and after 2 month challenge and 3 month challenge and 6, and as a last one the 12th month. But the first month I accept for my challenge how to build, and the first one is the topic suggest for as AI, Chat GPT and Gemini, and other one platform are to I suggest and a suggestion for accept in my life. But I am accept for my 365 daily challenge in the day one. How to start a communication skill is the first one priority for tell me about yourself. So, tell me about yourself is my name is Prakash Kanjura. I from Gujarat in Ahmedabad. I completed my basic chemistry honor in a 2020, and last semester I was selected as a quality insurance in a as a food industry, as a dairy industry. So 4.5 years experience as a QA, and with 2 years as preparation from the UPSC, and the UPSC my personal choice and my as my subject from the geography. So, and to be continue to my journey of the SSCGL 1 year preparation, and nowadays I am as resign a job. Why? Because I follow to my passion. So I decided how can build a aura and how can build a personality. So regularly personality show off a different way, and that's why I am a change of how can build my perspective and my as roadmap for myself. So I decided resign my job, and nowadays my hometown is the better coaching center in my home. So and I love for the teaching profession. So and there are lots of reading books, and my future plan are to grow is my YouTube channel and how to help from as grassroots level person. So lots of knowledge and lots of experience in my life journey, so the experience and how to build a confidence, right? So like a click idea and action immediately. And lots of the motivational factor in this my parents, in this my life learning as my student, right? I am not a professionally as a teacher, but I am as a learner, and the learner like a teacher. So I am first priority of is myself I made a on introduction. So I love for myself. This is my first introduction, and last one my introduction is I as a student. So day by day, student are to learn, not a satisfaction and not a stop from the gain and knowledge. At the time, to better than day by day performance for my YouTube channel in English vlogging, little bit, 1% change of my life. So better than 365 day is a 365% change of my life, because in the mathematics are as a circle is a 90 degree, 90 90 90 is a 360 degree, right? But I am 1 year, after 1 year change, my personality is 365 degree. At that time, 0 to round up 1% to change of my life. So I am is a day one first, and I hope my first English law are to learn from as a self is 1% to be continue change of my life. And I suggest for you, you are read a lots of books, please, because reels are not a knowledge for yourself, only for knowledge or reading your books and experience for your life. So I am thank you so much, dear. You watch, this is my first English vlog, and you are like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Jai Hind.